So if it's okay, I'm just going to ask you, we'll play that one word game real quick. I'm just going to throw a name out, and then you tell me what their attitude is, right? Or what comes to mind when you think of their attitude, right?
Yeah.
So obviously, you hung around this guy for 15 years, Tom Brady.
GOAT.
He's the greatest of all time, right? He is the GOAT. That's the
GOAT.
attitude. Does he walk like the GOAT? Does he believe he's the GOAT? And has he already known he's the GOAT?
He had to work at it. He won't tell you that.
Right.
Because he feels like he hadn't arrived yet. That's what's great about the guy, in my opinion.
Right.
Watching him for years. I mean, he prepares like it's his first day of practice.
All the time.
All the time.
The big tight end, who's one of my favorite, Gronk.
Wild.
Just a wild cat, right?
Yeah.
But he understands. He squeezes the juice out of life.
He does. And you talk about a guy, and people don't give him enough credit. This is a smart man.
Really?
Extremely intelligent.
Okay.
Don't cut him. People
don't get it.
No.
He single-handedly, I think, won you guys the Super Bowl 2 years ago.
He's a beast.
Just pushed dudes off, caught
He's
the
a
ball.
beast.
Throw it to him. Bill Belichick.
Brilliant.
Yeah, just brilliant. Yeah. Straight up.
Straight up.
What about Danny Amendola?
Quick.
Very fast.
Quick.
Can't hit what you can't catch,
That's right.
Coach.